Hi, welcome to my Place Your Link review. My name is Henry Tay. So what is Place Your Link 2.0 all about? This really is a one-click system. Your members just enter any URL of their choice or an extra 5 links if they take the pro version and benefit from free daily traffic. There are 7 good reasons why you need to pick up Place Your Link today. Number one, keep all the profits. All of the Place Your Link commissions from your URL are yours, so you keep all of the profits. With 100% newbie friendly, no tech skills required, we deliberately created this for beginners. Consistent scalable income, saturated proof method that you can repeat time and time again. Set up in seconds, results in hours. Place Your Link can deliver free buyer traffic and commission within a few hours of setup. Work once, get paid forever. Unlike other methods, submit your link once and get free traffic every day. Works worldwide. Geography is no barrier to your success with monthly income system. 30-day money back guarantee. Try it out. What have you got to lose? So if you place your link through my link in the description below, you will get all my bonuses and the vendor bonuses, which I will show you later. But right now, if you place your link, you will get this. Place your link worth that's 2,997. Fast 5 fast action bonuses worth $997. Free Facebook group worth $597. Easy to follow video training. Get started in minutes. And top quality support full-time staff, a total value of 4,591. And for today, the first entry price is a one-time fee of $12.95. And if you try to exit from the sales page, then you will get the exit pop-up, which will give you a $3 further discount. And here are the prices and the upsell. First entry price $12.95. The first upsell, place your link pro version $47. O2O, total traffic fix $197. And upsell number 3, reseller rights $47. Upsell number 4, done for you weekly campaigns $97. And upsell number 5, become a beta tester for the Elite Academy $997. And here are the key benefits you will be getting. Complete set and forget system. Submit your link once and get free daily traffic forever. Works in any niche. All clicks from real buyers. No bots here. Totally newbie friendly. No list required. Set it up in seconds. No videos to make. Place your link in the description below through my link, and these are my bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, valued at $427.95, is Backlinks Warrior. You also get bonus number 2, valued at $427.95, Enigma. And also you will get bonus number 3, valued at $344.95, is How to Get Better Conversion. And bonus number 4, $267, Boomerang Pro. And you will also get the vendor bonuses, which the vendor has for you. And the vendor bonuses are: bonus number 1, 50% discount off of the Elite Academy. Bonus number 2, exclusive Facebook group. Bonus number 3, massive products bundle. Get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. Bonus number 4, reseller rights to 50 of Dawud previous products. And bonus number 5, dedicated customer support, 24/7 support from our top team. And all this is backed by a 30-day money back guarantee. So you got nothing to lose. Just buy this product and try it today. And right now, I will bring you to the members area. So once you buy the product, you will be brought into the members area. And this is, you will first see the first one over there, welcome. And then after that, you will see the overview, and then the main training section. Then you will be placed on the rotator and the resources, the squish pages, and then you also get, and then this is the end of the tutorial, and they will have the bonuses for you too, and then the rest are the upgrades. Okay, let me just bring you to the overview. Okay, let's go to this link here. Welcome from Dawud Islam.
Thanks for picking up a copy of Place Your Link 2.0. On behalf of Elaine Baker and myself, we'd like to warmly congratulate you and indeed thank you for picking up a copy of this product.
Okay, so this is the welcome by Dawud, and below you have the welcome from Elaine Baker.
Hi everyone, my name is Elaine Baker and I'm the co-partner of Place Your Link 2 with Dawud Islam. I'd like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you for your...
Okay, and then if you will go through the tutorial, okay, this is the overview.
Welcome to this overview of Place Your Link. Now this is a pretty straightforward product because it allows you to drive traffic to any URL of your choice. Now think carefully about the link that you place, because once you've placed this link you're not going to be able to change it. So ideally you should choose an evergreen offer that is always going to be open, or you could choose
a glimpse of the overview, and then you'll be, this is an introduction to the training, the main training area. So this one you will show you all the training material.
Welcome to this main training for Place Your Link 2.0. So just want to go through some guidelines of the type of link that you can submit.
Okay, when you go through this main training area, it will show you everything. And then this is the test your URL. Okay, you can click here and it will allow you to place your URL to test it. You can just follow through everything, and then you will get an idea and a feel of the things. Okay, and this is the rotator, and this is the squish pages. Okay, all the landing pages, and this is the regular page. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you for watching my review for Place Your Link. So do not wait. Purchase this product through my link below in the description, and you will get all the awesome bonuses that we have prepared for you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Take care. Bye.